Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from Wipro company. 4 different roles, 4 different locations. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, please do subscribe channel. Our channel provides latest job updates time to time. Viewers, first Wipro hiring for voice process, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 3 years work experience candidates can apply for this position. Viewers, candidate need to be graduated in any stream. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Customer service, call center experience in BPO, KPO is preferred but not compulsory. Basic proficiency with office tools and Windows PC applications. Ability to navigate computer while on the phone. Ability to multitask. This includes ability to understand multiple products, multiple levels, benefits within each product. Candidate with any voice, non-voice experience have good communications can also apply. This is a very important point. Candidate with any voice, non-voice experience with good communication skills can also apply. So even freshers can apply. Viewers, immediate joiners are preferred. Shift is US shift and night shift. Viewers, so those who are interested can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next Wipro Kolkata is hiring call or text process. Viewers, so those who are interested can apply for this position. Job criteria includes any graduate, undergraduates, freshers and experience can apply for this position. Candidate should be flexible to work in 24/7 environment, comfortable to work in rotational shifts, especially night shifts. So transport facility is provided. We had 5 working days and 2 week offs. Provisional for higher studies in any field of through company. So this is a very important point. And even company providing multiple recreational facilities like on campus cafeteria 24/7 and as well as green campus, gym. So company providing nice benefits also. Even they are providing further education benefit also. So those who are interested, viewers, can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next voice professional, immediate offer from Chennai. Required criteria is candidate need to possess especially strong communication skills, both written and verbal in English, good typing skills, should able to work only night shift if required. So this is very important point. Current opening is voice process banking. Any graduate, postgraduate candidates can apply for this position. If you have a good communication skills, even freshers are eligible. Work location is Chennai. Immediate joiners are preferred. Those who are interested can apply for this position. Viewers, next Wipro hiring for international airline process. So for selected candidates, salary is 3,25,000 per annum. 0 to 5 years experience candidates can apply for this position. Viewers, we had 5 working days, 2 week offs. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We had 24/7 environment. Undergraduates, graduates can apply. MBA, BTech, BCA, BSc, IT, CS, BER not eligible. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Should be within transport boundary because company providing transport facility. Freshers are also eligible. So those who are interested, viewers, can apply for this position. Work location is Bombay. And even the given job description also, please refer once. So this is about complete details of 4 different profiles from Wipro company. Viewers, even freshers experienced, both are eligible. So this is a super duper opportunity. Those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Through links you can apply for particular position in a particular locations. Thank you very much, viewers, and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And please do subscribe our channel and like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job, and hit the bell icon to receive our latest job notifications.